Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some interesting currency movements, specifically looking at the Australian dollar and its recent dance with the mighty US dollar. If you've been watching the markets, you might have noticed something a bit unusual. Let's break it down. So, what's been happening? Well, the US dollar has been on a bit of a rebound, correcting upwards after a period of decline. You'd typically expect this to put pressure on other currencies, right? A stronger greenback usually means a weaker Aussie dollar. But here's the twist. The AUD hasn't really tumbled. Instead, it's been moving sideways, holding its ground in a relatively tight range. It's like watching a tug of war, where neither side is giving an inch. This resilience from the Aussie is quite telling. It suggests there are some strong underlying factors supporting it. What could they be? For one, commodity prices, which are a huge driver for Australia's economy, have been holding up pretty well. Think about iron ore, coal, and gas. When demand for these is strong, it props up the AUD. Additionally, the Reserve Bank of Australia's recent stance on interest rates is playing a key role. Their comments and decisions are being watched like a hawk by traders globally. The market is essentially in a holding pattern, weighing the strength of the US economic recovery against the positive fundamentals coming out of Australia. The US Federal Reserve's moves are, of course, the big elephant in the room. Any hints about their future policy can send ripples across the currency markets. At the same time, Australia's own economic data, like employment numbers and inflation figures, are providing a solid foundation for the AUD. So, what does this mean for the future? This sideways movement is likely to continue until we get a clearer signal from either the US or the Australian economy. We're looking for a catalyst, something to break the deadlock. It could be a surprise inflation report, a shift in central bank policy, or even a major geopolitical event. Until then, the Aussie dollar seems content to trade in this range, showing a stubborn strength that's defying the typical currency playbook. It's a fascinating scenario to watch, and we'll be keeping a close eye on it for you. That's our take for today. It's a complex picture, but hopefully, that clears things up a bit. If you found this analysis helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. And for more market insights, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.